Hello everybody, thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. Today we're gonna talk about Squarespace. What is it? It is a website building tool for building a professional business website. Is it free? Squarespace is not free. You can sign up for free. No credit card required, but they only give you a 14-day free trial, and then you have to upgrade to keep your website. If only they made that clear in the beginning instead of hiding it. I sure wish these companies would be more upfront with their fees. So to sign up, click on sign up. It'll ask you to choose a template, and they have a lot of templates. Here are the categories you can do for pretty much any kind of business you can think of. Okay, let's go with a food and drink website, and here let's choose this one. Let's preview it first by clicking on the preview. And here you can examine this template. So yeah, it looks pretty good for a restaurant type business. So you can start with this design by clicking on that, and now you have to create your free account. Right after you create your account, you'll be presented with this welcome screen here. Let's click start. And once again, you have 14 days remaining on your trial upgrade to enable your website. So at least you can test it out before upgrading. So let's go to the left sidebar here. We have pages. So you can edit these pages individually. So you click on the menu. So here you can, let's try to edit some of these things. So for instance, you can edit by simply double clicking on whichever text or images you want to edit, and now you can delete and add in whatever you want, and then simply click on save whenever you're done. So you can only edit one at a time, so one thing at a time. And such as I can't go here and edit these menu items and prices. So once I am selecting to edit this, I have to save it first, and then I can scroll and then double click to edit these other elements and things. So here is a premium feature. So apparently I can't even edit this because it's a premium feature. Okay, so apparently the premium feature, you can edit it, but then you have to upgrade to a higher plan than a personal plan. So this is to suck more money out of you. To be honest with you guys, so far I'm not really liking how Squarespace, their website editing and the way their business practice is kind of not too friendly in my opinion. The others, Weebly and Wix.com, they're more upfront about their pricings, and their website builder is way easier to use. So Squarespace is not really user friendly. So once again, I have to save it before I can continue my quest to edit other things. So we have more limitation probably. Okay, let's try to edit another page. Let's try the news. So the content will be removed when you add in your own. Okay, so let's create. So it's kind of like a blog post. So add post. Okay, so I got a title and some content. Let's save and publish to see how it looks. News item 1. Okay, and there it is. And I can add in a new post by clicking on this plus icon here if I want. Let's cancel that. Let's go back to the pages. Okay, so I'm back at my home page. So let's click on this to edit. And here I can add a block. So this is something pretty important. So here we have a bunch of elements and features you can add. So we got a text, you can add an image, you can add a video. So let's try, you can play around with these slideshows, and I wanna add a video, so I can drag and drop right here, and here I can enter in a YouTube video URL to add in this video. So let me find a video and add it in. So okay, I added in my video, and here it displays down here. So let's apply. Oh, and I can also add in my custom thumbnail as well if I don't want the YouTube thumbnail. So there it is. It looks pretty cool. So and then I can also edit the title up here. Just double click on it or pop up and edit right here. You can edit. So in this case I added in a text logo, and I can also add in a logo image if I want. So my made up food place, there it is. So this is pretty much how to edit your site, how to make a website with SquareSpace. It's pretty professional looking, and you just plug and play. And I can't publish the website with Squarespace unless I pay. Right here, upgrade. Then I can use my own domain name if I want to. So overall, Squarespace is again not user friendly. I don't like it as much. I think the others are better, Weebly, Wix. So if you watch my tutorial videos on those, I think it's a lot easier and friendlier to use.
Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to check back to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Thanks again.